how to disable restricted mode on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, under the Account tab, tap on the General option you see there and now. In order to disable restricted mode, simply toggle off the toggle button for restricted mode, and with this, restricted mode on YouTube will be disabled. So this was about how you can disable restricted mode on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.